Now, the traditional black and white was not the color of choice for mourners who converged outside the Holy Trinity Cathedral, as well as those who lined the streets to say farewell to the former Prime Minister. Here's TVJ's Dwayne Anderson with that report.
From nearby West Kingston to as far away as Hanover in the west, the young and the young at heart came in droves to say goodbye to Edward Seaga. Not even the blazing afternoon sun would stop the Seaga-loving masses from representing. Those the heat threatened to stop simply refueled with a strong drink. No prizes for guessing the colour of choice for most. Seaga and the JLP became synonymous for many followers.
Labour right thing, it's a Seaga thing, that's the Labour right thing. So so we have to come out now with full green.
But the green represents prosperity and the growth that our great Prime Minister had done for this country. Nation builder, Edward Seaga.
But not all went to the funeral because of political following. Some were summoned.
Mr. Seaga called I and said, come to my funeral. I'm from I stay on a different planet. When I come on Earth, then I tried this way, as a Zionist child, I eventually tried, perfect one, an intelligent one, authentic one, yeah.
It was also an occasion to make a fashion statement. And it got interesting here, pun intended. Exaggerated mohawks, green wigs, designer suits, and sailors.
This is Louis Vuitton shirt. You understand? We get this exact exclusive for the boss thing. You understand? Edward Seaga. I'm from Northwest Clarendon, Tombstone Division. You understand? Mr. Louis is the one who endorsed thing and bring it here. He's the one who buy my suit. You understand? Just like this. Check my shoes. Louis Vuitton same way.
New York, old suit. I'm 10 years. I have a draft feet. You understand? I say, yeah, I'm going to shut my pants. But I'm a boss, I have to represent, I'm like these 10.
I'm from Western Kingston. I'm born in Jamaica, but I'm not an African. I'm an African because Africa is born in me.
Jamaica and specially designed Seaga flags were in high demand, presenting sellers with a chance to earn. And speaking of earning, the police and soldiers on Sunday's routes surely earned Sunday's pay. They stood unmoved for hours, ensuring we were all safe throughout the day. Edward Seaga, a man with an eye for the flamboyant, would no doubt have approved of the type of send-off he was given Sunday. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.